I'm back with all the replay, man. This Friday, and man, I sold the remote control already, and that's how you do it. You list it on everybody. If somebody's looking for that particular item, it's going to sell because I undercut the whole market. I got the best shipping. I got the best price on there, and it's brand new. I mean, still got the plastic on it. You know what I mean? So you can't beat it, man. So the strategy does work. I'll show you on my phone real quick. Yeah, so right here you see that same item sold, and I think it was only up for like a day or so, man. And it tells you it's sold for $11.99. The buyer's paying the $3.99, and it's sold on November 13th. So I think it really was up just for a day. $15.18 for this remote control. Yeah, that's that seller there. You know, it says it was $17.38, but then I get actually, $15.18 by the time PayPal takes its fees out for putting the money in my PayPal account. And then I'm still going to have to pay eBay a transaction fee, which I'll look that up. All right, so I found it. If you go to basically what is my eBay here, and then it'll bring this seller hub up. You go to payments, click on that. Then you go to expenses here on the left, and it'll tell you your final value fee. So it actually cost me $1.08 to sell that. So it cost me $2. So even with this $15.18, I still got to pay $2.00. So I'm netting $13. And so basically, what I'm going to do, I'm going to ship it out in a pre-owned, pre-used, padded envelope. This is where I was getting to, that I had something else in, that I bought something else. It looks like a car part. And basically, I got the remote control. It fits nicely in here. It's padded. This would be perfect. I'm going to go ahead and use a little bit of tape. Might cost me 10 cents in tape, and I'm gonna print my label off, so that's how easy it is. I mean, anybody can do this. I mean, but the way you make money at it is by getting things that cost nothing. Okay, I don't know how you buy things and drop ship and all that. I don't know how that works. So yeah, but if you're already picking up items that you already have that are brand new, or leftover items, or unused inventory, stuff like that. Well, obviously unused inventory was already bought for, but stuff like this that, we did a job install, and I'm never going to use 50 different TV remotes when the customer only needed 4, you know what I'm saying? So then I got like 48 TV remotes, and somebody else could use that on the market, you know what I mean? So that's why I list these things. It takes a little bit of time, but it makes money, because think about it. I just netted like $12, right? And if I did 10 of those, that's $120 a day in a sense, you know what I mean? So, it adds up. So I am looking for somebody to partner up with. If you do have unused inventory, or you do make things, I can help, basically sell your product. If you want to give me the pictures, the list, the descriptions, and your shipping information, what it costs to ship, I can actually sell your product, you know what I mean? And then what I could do is make the sales, basically send you the labels, you know what I mean? So all you gotta do is just print them off, and then from that point on, once the customer's happy with it, then I could go ahead and PayPal you your cash and be a done deal, you know what I mean? So maybe we split it like 50-50, or do 25-75, since it is your product. I'm only just doing the sales, you know what I mean? So hit me up, tell me what you think about it. Like, share, subscribe, do whatever you want to do, and we'll move on to the next one. All right, thanks for checking it out. So got everything packaged, ready to go, and I forgot to put in the 365. My son talking. The 365 that it costs for this label. So really, I'm netting like $9, you know what I mean? So just keep that in mind.